India, a nation of villages embracing its diverse culture and geography. Almost 70% of its population live in the villages. The villages has not changed much in terms of sanitation in comparison to the other visible development indicators. It is a matter of shame that even today, many people in the villages defecate in the open. Whether people are indifferent or they don't have the wherewithal to build a toilet is a debatable issue. While it is true that there are some sections of the community who live in abject poverty, it is also true that there are people who have toilets but still don't use it. For those who do not have a toilet, there is no option but to defecate in the open. But they fail to understand the risk associated. Every farmer knows that animal waste is a good manure. Human waste can also be a very rich source of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for the soil. However, only if it is freed from harmful pathogens. Alternative sanitation technologies like EcoSan or ecological sanitation provides the opportunity to deal with human excreta in an environmental friendly manner. It has several benefits like it prevents pollution of surface and groundwater. The toilets do not require water to flush, so it conserves water, effectively deals with disposal and reuse of human waste as organic manure. These toilets are spacious, cleaner, and more convenient to use. Let us move to Dhodipara, small village situated in Batra Panchayat of district Korba of Chhattisgarh. People here have made EcoSan their way of life.
शुरू में इस्तेमाल किए तो हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि पानी का खर्चा भी कम है और वहाँ बदबू भी नहीं होता। सोच करने जाने में सुविधा भी होता है क्योंकि पानी हम लोगों को बहुत दूर से लाना पड़ता है।
बहुत अंतर होते भैया होती बाहर ते जाबे तब खुला जगह हम बैठबे ताई लेना अभी कतका दूरी हलते फोटो खींचत रहे हैं उतका दूरिया ओकरा दूर से आदमी देखते हैं यहाँ बैठे रहता देखते कि नहीं तो वही सब बुराई है बात है ना एमा बढ़िया सुविधा है भैया तो अच्छा लगते।
WaterAid is working in the village through its partner organization Karma Daksh on improving access to safe drinking water and sanitation. Dhodipara is one of the 20 hamlets in Batra Panchayat which comprise of 132 tribal families. It is situated in a valley surrounded by dense forest. The terrain and the village's location has ensured very high level of water table. The conventional pit latrines cannot be built in this village as it runs the risk of contamination of groundwater. Few years ago, toilets were not considered a necessity by the residents of Dhodipara. Today, almost the entire village has adopted EcoSan as their way of life, and Dhodipara is fast becoming a hub for EcoSan. The initiative on EcoSan was started in 2008. The usage of toilet was taught by the Women's Self-Help Group and they were instrumental in educating the other community members in using and maintenance of these toilets. EcoSan is a bit different from traditional leach pit toilets. EcoSan toilets are constructed above the ground level with 2 chambers and 2 squat holes with urine separation facilities. Alternate chambers are used and once a pit is full, it is covered with a lid and is left to decompose for 6 to 8 months. By this time, it gets converted into organic manure and can be used in the agricultural fields. The wash water is diverted into a separate soak pit and is prevented from flowing into the pit with human feces. The design is such that urine is diverted into a separate drain and is collected in mud pot outside the toilet. Urine can also be diluted in water and used as a very good source of nitrogen, a good alternative to urea.
5 लीटर पानी और आधा लीटर पेशाब मिला के एक ठो में डालते हैं, जो 6 ठो में डालते हैं और 6 ठन हम बढ़िया बढ़त है, और 6 ठो और है उसमें नहीं डालत हैं, वह अच्छा नहीं बढ़त है.
In past 2 years, the design of these toilets have been modified to make it more economical.
पहला चीज़ जो हमने इसमें किया वो जो था कि इसकी जो सीट थी जो हमको बेंगलोर से मंगाना पड़ती थी, इसकी एक बहुत बड़ी लागत थी. दूसरा सीट जो तकनीकी रूप से भी परेशान कर रही थी हम लोगों को, जो उसमें जाम हो जाता था जिसके कारण परेशानी थी, तो हम लोगों ने सीट न लगाने का एक फ़ैसला किया जिसके कारण हमारी लागत में कमी आई. दूसरा, हमने लागत में कमी करने के लिए जो इसके डिज़ाइन को इस तरीके से बनाया कि इसके पिट को साइज़ को थोड़ा छोटा किया जाए, जिससे कि ये हर साल भर सके और इसको खेती में इसका उपयोग किया जा सके. उसकी चौड़ाई को भी हम लोगों ने कम किया और उसको हम लोग अब जो हमारा जो है 6 बाई 5 फीट का जो है इकोसैन शौचालय हम बना पा रहे हैं, जिसके कारण आज इसकी कीमत 13,000 से कम आ रही है.
We all know that there is scarcity of clean drinking water. In rural India, women fetch water from long distance and they would not want this water to be flushed away in toilets. This was one of the important reasons why traditional pit latrines are not being used by the communities. Narayan Singh, when took out the manure from the pit for the first time, he was surprised to note that it was clean and odorless. He also found the manure very good in terms of the yield of his crop that year.
मट्टी बन गई है बुलबुला सही रही थे तो राख वाख डला रहे ना, देखे अंताजी में कोई असर नहीं पड़ी, इतना महंगा तुमको गला नहीं रही. धान में करें तो फायदा तो हो साहेब, हाँ बन फायदा हो.
The manure obtained from EcoSan systems is a very good organic manure. People also referred to it as सोन खाद, which means gold manure.
पहले से गोबर खाद भी डालते थे उसमें, लेकिन उतना असर नहीं बताए जैसे इकोसैन का खाद जो डाला है. तो इस साल तो फसल अच्छे थे सर, आलू का, प्याज का भी. पहले प्याज इतना मोटाई था और इस खाद डालने के बाद इतना मोटाई है उसका पेड़ जो है.
People of Dhodipara have understood the dual benefits of EcoSan toilets and have attributed a totally different meaning to toilets. More and more people are now coming forward to build their EcoSan. People are even ready to contribute up to 5,000 rupees for constructing these toilets.
अभी हमारे लंग 4-5 ठी बन गए हैं, नहीं बने हैं, इतनी आसपास में बने हैं, इतनी बने हैं सब. तीता हमू ला साथ लागी थे, हमू कहें हमू आना जाना करबो लेटरिंग हमू बनवा ले.
हाँ सब अब देखा था तो सब जाते हैं अपन शौचालय में. हमारा अब देखा न छोटे से घर दुआर है तो हम खेत खार वाला आदमी से हैं. अब बाहर में जाते हैं तो अच्छा नहीं लागे ना. अब सियान समृद्ध घर में आदमी ही लड़का है, फिर हम हन पानी उनी कुछ नहीं रहे, सूखा रहते न, बात भी नहीं आए. उसका टाइम खातू निकाले के टाइम ये नहीं लगे कि खातू ये काट के नहीं लगे. हाँ तब तोला छू लेते, तब तोला बहो के लेके जाते.
EcoSan toilets have made a difference to the lives of villagers of Dhodipara. These has found many takers. EcoSan has also helped women and girls feel more dignified because of the privacy it offers.